Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Pole Barn Kit is probably one of the most versatile and cost-effective building solutions available today, perfect for various uses from workshops and garages to storage facilities and even homes, offering a balance of durability and affordability that's hard to match, making them an attractive option for both DIY builders and those seeking a more economical construction method. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the right kit for your needs. Number 5. EZBUILDER 50 Shed Kit. Tired of flimsy shed kits? It's 50% stronger than the competition, thanks to galvanized steel brackets and a reinforced truss design. Building your dream shed has never been easier. This kit includes our exclusive, patent-pending EZBUILDER template. It makes precise cuts simple, ensuring a strong and sturdy structure. Say goodbye to weak, inaccurate cuts. Design the perfect shed for your needs. Choose the size and finish that best complements your home and yard. The possibilities are endless. No contractors needed. This is a perfect weekend project for DIY enthusiasts. One kit builds a 7x8 shed, 2 for an 8x10, and 3 for a 10x22. We stand behind our product. This kit comes with a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. Note that wood and finishing materials are not included. Your EZBUILDER kit contains 24 steel angles, 12 steel base plates, 4 door header brackets, the EZBUILDER template, and easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need for a successful build. What we like. It has stronger brackets and a unique miter template for easy assembly. If you value strength and ease of construction, this is the kit for you. It's perfect for those DIY enthusiasts who want a sturdy and personalized structure. What people say. Made the building process very easy. I built the shed in one weekend. The supply list was very accurate and made for minimal waste. The instructions and supplied angle template made it easy. Number 4. Instant Framer Barn Shed Kit. Build your dream shed in no time. It's designed for easy assembly, even for beginners. With straightforward, 90-degree cuts and no complex measurements, it's a breeze to put together. Galvanized brackets ensure perfect angles every time. It's built to last with a galvanized steel base and angle brackets that resist rust and rot. It's compatible with wood or composite 2x4s for extra strength. No complicated miters or measurements needed, minimizing errors and making construction simple. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts of all skill levels. This kit includes everything you need: 40 steel angles, 12 steel base plates, and plans for 3 sizes. Larger kits are available for bigger projects. Save up to 50% compared to pre-built sheds. This kit is a budget-friendly way to get the storage space you need. Your only cost is your time. What we like. This kit boasts straightforward assembly with no complex cuts needed. Its galvanized steel ensures longevity. If you're a beginner DIYer on a budget, this is an excellent choice for a simple yet durable shed. What people say. Follow the directions exactly, and you will build a beautiful, solid and weatherproof shed. It is definitely a sturdy structure once we got it up. Great little kit, easy to install. Number 3. Lifetime 60120 Garden Shed. This spacious garden shed offers ample storage for all your outdoor equipment. Its attractive design will complement any garden. It's made from durable, high-quality HDPE plastic, designed to withstand the elements. The UV protection prevents weather damage, ensuring years of reliable use. Customize your storage space with the adjustable shelving. It allows you to organize your belongings efficiently. The heavy-duty steel trusses provide extra roof strength and stability. This ensures it can handle various weather conditions. The high-pitched roof allows for quick drainage of rain and snow, keeping your belongings dry. This design also adds to its aesthetic appeal. It features sturdy steel-reinforced construction for added durability and longevity. You can trust it to protect your valuable items for years to come. What we like. This shed stands out with its appealing design and weather-resistant plastic construction. If you prioritize aesthetics and low maintenance, this is a great option. It's ideal for those who want a beautiful and long-lasting garden shed without the hassle of regular upkeep. What people say. Putting it together took my son and I about 12 hours total. It is completely watertight. Assembly simple, clear instructions. Great sturdy shed. The other one that I bought, a little smaller, was perfect. It doesn't leak at all. Number 2. Arlington 12 by 20 wood shed. This spacious shed offers ample storage for all your needs. Its sturdy design ensures years of reliable use, protecting your belongings from the elements. With its 12-foot width and 20-foot length, it provides a large footprint for all your storage needs. You'll have plenty of room for lawn equipment, tools, and more. The pre-assembled 6 feet 6 inches high by 5 feet 5 inches wide pocket doors offer easy access and a stylish design. The cross-buck design adds a touch of rustic charm. It's engineered with a sturdy truss system, capable of withstanding a 40-pound snow load and 130 miles per hour winds. It's built to withstand even the harshest weather conditions. Maximize your storage space with a full second-floor loft. It provides an additional 4 to 6 feet of headroom for even more storage options. Please note that this kit does not include a floor. You will need to source and install a floor separately to complete your shed. What we like. This kit offers a spacious design with pre-hung doors, saving you time and effort. If you need a large storage solution with a robust structure, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want a substantial shed with minimal assembly. What people say. Yes, it is a shed, add a toilet, plumbing and electrical, etc. And you have a tiny house. Looks great, easy to assemble, exactly as advertised, i.e. A shed. It is a shed. Number 1. Best Barnes Fairview Wood Shed Kit. This kit provides a sturdy and reliable storage solution for your backyard. It's easy to assemble and perfect for storing garden tools, bikes, or anything else you need to keep safe and dry. It's built to last with durable wood materials. You'll appreciate its strength and resilience for years to come. The kit comes with clear instructions, making it simple to put together. You'll have your new shed up and running in no time. Personalize it to match your style. Add windows, a floor, paint, shingles, and more to create your perfect outdoor storage space. It offers ample space for all your storage needs. The generous size ensures you have plenty of room for all your equipment and supplies. Purchase additional materials like paint, shingles, drip edge, and roof paper from your local hardware store. Support your community while completing your project. What we like. This kit provides a good-sized structure that you can personalize to your liking. If you want a larger shed at a reasonable price, this is a great option. It's suitable for those who are comfortable sourcing additional materials and completing some finishing touches themselves. What people say. The Best Barnes Fairview 12-foot by 16-foot wood shed kit is a popular choice for homeowners seeking a spacious, customizable storage solution. With its classic barn-style design and generous dimensions, this shed is perfect for a variety of uses, from tool storage to a small workshop or even as a gardening hub. At 12 feet by 16 feet, this shed offers a generous 192 square feet of space, which can be divided into different storage areas. The shed features a loft, adding significant vertical storage capacity. This makes it perfect for storing seasonal items, tools, and smaller equipment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.